Today is July 27th, and we are headed to Circles Restaurant. I'm here with this drop-dead gorgeous woman. And of course, you know, when you look at me right now, the only thing that can pop into your mind is Sharp Dressed Man by ZZ Top. What else can I say?
Of course, baby.
Okay, and why are we going out tonight, dear?
To celebrate our birthdays.
To celebrate our birthdays earlier in the month. We were a little distracted with this bundle of joy named Eliana Grace. So, Ellie, when you watch this video later, years later, you know, your grandma and grandpa absolutely, positively love you to pieces. But I just want to let you know, you kind of distracted us a little bit from being able to go out.
You trumped us on our birthdays.
Yes, you trumped us on our birthdays, and for that, we are ever grateful.
Absolutely.
So we're going to head out over to Circles, and we're going to take a look and see what a wonderful time we're going to have there. We are at Circles. We're walking in. Had a little detour tonight, which was kind of unanticipated, but nevertheless, we're here. Let's take a look-see.
Our longest part goes from our house to Ma'am, was it Debbie? Yes. For 4 for inside? Yes. Yeah, there should
Hello, welcome to Circles.
Yeah, multitasking. How about that?
I think this happened last time we were here.
Yes, it did. Exactly.
It's like, were you like invisible?
Hmm?
Invisible?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you recording?
Yes. Oh, yes, absolutely. Look how many people are up here, and nobody's asking us anything right now. We had reservations at 5 o'clock.
For Bill?
Yes. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
I thought you want to sit here, that way you'd have a good view of...
You'll have to find us.
I don't care.
Not going to get a view of the puppy.
Well, you get a good view of the puppy. How about that? There you go. You got a good view of the puppy. Here's a view that we have outside our window. It's a waterside view of the harbor here at Apollo Beach. And there is the beautiful one. Happy birthday to the beautiful one.
Thank you, baby. Happy birthday to you, too.
So how old are you now?
How old am I?
Yeah, how old are you now?
You never should ask a woman that. How old do you think I am?
29.
Yes. Good
Okay.
answer.
All right, 29. And who else's birthday are we celebrating tonight?
Well, your birthday, of course.
Well, yeah, you know, and the music, like I said, should start playing right now for Sharp Dressed Man by ZZ Top. And of course. So let's get ready to order here. I think I'm ready to do that. Devastating news when we order drinks tonight. They have Pepsi products here. I don't do Pepsi products. I'm allergic to pine. So the beautiful one asks, is Pepsi okay? No, Pepsi's not okay. So we did the backup. Arnold Palmer was sweet tea. Valeries like really enamored because right outside our window they have outside seating, and they're having a party right next to us, and there are a bunch of four-legged canines down there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. 3 of them. Mo, Larry, and Curly. Now, I'm sure, I don't think they'd be real pleased if they knew we were filming them, but you know what? They'll never know. Unless they watch it on YouTube, so.
Do you think it's a dog's birthday?
What's that?
Do you think it's a dog's birthday?
It could be dog's birthday because there's gifts over there.
There are.
And there's one right there. Let's take a look.
Oh, I'm in love.
That's a Labrador. That's a lab right there, 100%. Look at the webbed feet. You can tell. That's a lab. And that other one, spunky. Having filet mignon and fire roasted vegetables in fries tonight. Both Valerie and I are having the same thing. How is your steak, my dear?
It's wonderful.
Okay, we are all set to go. Got a wonderful to-go bag, goodies, to take home. Not including the key lime pie, which is 100% gone. But Valerie had to head to the restroom because the waitress gave us 2 pens. One of them was leaking all over the place. It leaked all over her hands, so she's getting that taken care of before we head out here.
Kind of go the long way.
Okay. We'll see you. Yeah, let's go outside. We'll go through the front.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, now we're all lazy.
Want to head down there?
But then I might I will drag on for about maybe.
We're about to go experience the Coral Reefer Band. Which way do you want to walk?
I don't know.
Let's go this way. We'll go this way first. Because your wife can't cook, okay. No, my wife can't cook, so that's wrong. And it's true, I can't fish. The other one says you can't fish, so. It's warm out here. Oh, there's no band here. Coral Reefer brand is taking a break right now. They must be on break right now. Well, this beckons. Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. Something like that. Okay, that's a funny sign. I like that one. Pretty impressive. I don't think we've ever been out here. See all this in circles. The concrete bench over here. Look at that. With the table.
Put the stain on it, or the.
And it just happens to be your favorite color too.
Yeah.
How about that? Valerie absolutely likes that. Now look, there's a puppy coming on the docks over there. And there's your fire rescue boat. don't get her by her because she'll take her away from you guys. She's a puppyaholic. Warning, beyond this point you may encounter nude sunbathers eating waffles.
Okay, I don't understand.
See?
Was all of this out here last time?
I don't know. I don't know
think this
that.
is over here, but
Yeah, this part was over here, but I don't think this was over here. Well, there ends our adventure here. Uh-oh, dear, watch out.
you be careful too, baby.
Yeah, I need to be careful. I
Ran up
just
on that curb.
almost hit the curb. My beautiful wife for a very happy birthday and a very happy birthday celebration.
Absolutely.
We actually had our birthdays and we did celebrate them, but this was just a wonderful way. We just had a fantastic time tonight. Walked around outside, had some fantastic food, a decadent dessert,
Absolutely.
and just really, and Valerie had the absolute bonus of having puppies
Yes.
in front of us
Yes,
tonight.
that was a
She
treat.
got a, you know, it was another birthday present for her that I didn't have to pay for. How about
Yeah.
that? I like that. That's a good thing.